Well, I ordered some stuff off Amazon. It seems welders are essential items, so I thought I would do a video opening the box. So other stuff that I got was a bottle of argon welding gas from Hoof, as well as some welding wire. So these are the main two bits I thought I'd have a nosy at. So this was just a cheap automatic welding mask off Amazon. I think it's about 30 quid. Got a fancy carbon fibre look. It's probably cheaper than tacky, but it'll do the job. Oh, a box in a box. There we go. Auto darkening. Mazo helmet. Helmet, instructions, spare glasses, auto darkening welding mask model LEO WH86 user manual. Has it got English or is it Chinglish? Yeah, all in English. Yeah, all English. Cool. English instructions. Let's get it out and have a nosy. That's not too bad. I don't know if you can see. Removable tin. A little switch on the side. Different settings, and then a grind option as well. Adjustable headband with turn buckle there. That looks like it should do the job. A few bits on the inside, so that's good. Let's give it a try, shall we? Test button. What does the test button do? Ooh. Makes it dark. Cool. So, a few stickers on that. We need a Made Motorsport one on there, aren't we? Get that sorted. And that's that little job done. Pump that up on there, out of the way. And let's have a look what's in the box. Got a bit of a wooden lid on there. Stick that out of the way. Stick that down there. What's that? It's a bit loose. Looks like a cheapy handle. Plonk that down there. But we've got bags and bags. That looks like your earth and arc cables. Yep. Arc welding cable. Don't really need that. Not doing any arc. But there we go. Earth cable on the little joining cable. Now, anybody that knows me knows I'm not a welder, but I'm willing to give anything a go. So part of the plan was doing this video, and then I'll do a couple of videos about how I've set it up. I've got some spare metal to test out on. So don't know, maybe do like a bit of an instructional, this is how I did it. If you're welding a 106 or a Saxo, this is how you could do it. You know, you don't have to buy this kit, but you know, if you go out and want a cheapish welder, this one was about £300 off Amazon. You can get cheaper, but then you're going into like gasless MIGs and arc welding, which you want it to look tidy. From what I've read, you know, you've got to go really with a gas MIG, which this will do. What's this? Another one. So there's the bag with the welding torch in. Now, from the one English review on eBay, on YouTube, sorry, that I found, the guy was, I'll try and put the guy's a link to the video in the comments or the notes for this one. The guy said this was quite good from, he's a professional welder. So we've got the plug end there, nice protective cap on, so nothing gets bent and misshapen. Nice torch there. Feels all flexible enough and that, so that's obviously really good. 16mm squared. Yeah, hope you can see all this properly. I'm filming on a Hero 4, so I've no screen to see whether I'm even in shot properly or not. But little bag with a couple of spare nozzles, spare shroud, a little spanner thing. In the other bag would be with the earth wire and that. This little thing came in it. What is it? Oh, that's it comes with a cheapy mask. That'll be the glass for the cheapy mask, and that handle will be the handle for it, won't it? I guess. And down the other side here we've got there you go. There's your mask. Yeah, I'm glad I bought the other one now, because I suppose if you weren't fussed, that's probably going to do the job, like. But instruction manual, owner's manual, operator manual, so and shipping, yeah, so I've shipping notice, address and everything on, so instruction manual in English, French, German, Italiano and Espanol. I'll give the kids something to learn some Italian, Spanish with. Little slag brush, cleaning up your welds and what have you. I think that's it. So I'll just shuffle some of this lot out of the road. Right, see if we can get this out. Oh. Back in the shed, knocking everything everywhere. Be about right. A few scuff marks on it, but kind of expect that. It was coming through our postal services. Beefy white cable on it, 13 amp plug. Now the other video that I did see on this said these are alright if you're using like low settings and stuff, but really you want to put like a blue 16 amp plug top on one of these and run it through a dedicated socket with maybe a 16 or a 32 amp breaker. For a lot of people, I guess that's going to be a little bit of hassle that you don't really want. I've used a mate of mine's MIG welder on a normal socket, and as long as your electrics are good and your mains board's up to spec, I guess it'd be alright. You're only going to blow the fuse in there, which I think the guy in the video that I watched on YouTube did. But we'll give it a go and see what happens. So what have we got round the back? See, this was part of the thing that I was trying to find out online and couldn't see anything, was the nozzle here, what diameter that is. So I'll measure that later, and I'll find out what size tube I need to go from that to my gas bottle, and I need a regulator for the gas bottle as well. Got an on-off switch there and some venting at the back. Apparently this is fan cooled, so I'll let the air flow. And then a lot of people have said these hinges aren't the greatest, so be careful with them. The door does look a bit wonky, so, but at least it's on. I've seen some people posting pictures where the door's been bashed off in transit, so same with anything though, isn't it? Things get knocked around. So, place to put your wire, feed mechanism and everything, buzz bars and stuff. All looks alright. Standard internals for a welder. And then that's around the front. You've got MIG and MMA, so that's for the stick welding. MIG welding, amps, volts, wire speed. Your main plug, and your earth, and your other ones, which I think for when you're doing MIG you want the little jumper lead in. Let's just give that a go and see. Yeah, that sort of slots in and twists nice and positive. I guess that could be a bit of a that to that, and then plug your earth into there, and your torch into the bottom. Fire it up and away you go. So there. I'll have a read of the instructions properly before I do that and turn it on. But there you go. It's not too heavy. Let's plug that out of the way. Not too heavy. Yeah, the handle's pretty sturdy. So there we go. That's what was in the box. So I'll have a bit of a tinker. I'll measure this tube. I'll figure out the right diameter tube and the right you need, if you're going to use these, you need one of the disposable gas regulators that screws on there and then out and into the unit itself. So I'll figure all that out, and then on the next video we'll cobble it all together, fire it up and see if I can make some metal stick together. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe, like my kids always like to tell me to say. I think I've waffled on enough, so thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. I'll try and link to the other guy's video that I've mentioned in the notes below, and yeah, I'll see you next time.